Yes, student, as I told you in previous video that the position of hydrogen is still remains dispute. It is because the hydrogen can show similarities with the first group alkali metals, isn't it? Here we are saying observing the another similarities of hydrogen. So student, hydrogen also shows similarities with the halogens of 17th group. Okay, these are these are as say first one, hydrogen require one electron to get stable configuration. Stable configuration, that is what duplet is also called stable configuration, like what halogens, like what halogens. But actually what halogens require one electron to complete what octet configuration, but the duplet and octet configuration considered as stable, therefore we can take it as a similarities. Number 2, hydrogen can gain one electron and becomes what electronegative, what H anion, that is it can become what H anion. Like here hydrogen after gaining one electron it becomes what H anion. Similarly you can see here X, suppose X is denotation for halogen, it is denotation for halogen, getting? So by gaining one electron it becomes what X anion, that is it shows electropositive as well as electronegative nature. Okay, third one, like halogens, hydrogen also forms compounds with alkali metal, metals. Now like you can say Na plus X2, it forms 2NaX. Similarly hydrogen also reacts with sodium like metal and forms NaH. Okay, where the proportion is also same. Look at here, 1:1 proportion and here 1:1 proportion. Okay, where stoichiometry, or this is called proportion, where stoichiometry is also same. So this become what 3. Can you search some more? Okay, ionization enthalpy and electron gain enthalpy of hydrogen is very high, like halogens, like what halogens. And the fifth very important, like halogens. Okay, hydrogen also exist as diatomic molecule, like what H2, which is similar to what X2, like Cl2, Br2, I2, F2. Similarly the hydrogen also exists in gas form. So student, you do search some more similarities. Now we will check dissimilarities. That is why we have not to take there. Therefore dissimilarities of hydrogen with halogens. Halogens means what? X. Okay. Say first one. It has only one electron in valence shell. Okay. While halogens have what? 7 electron in valence shell. So it becomes what? Very strong what? Evidence that we should not place, okay, with the halogens, because the position of elements are mainly based on the number of valence electron. That is their position in the group is given by this one. Getting? Halogens forms, okay, mx, okay, which are ionic in nature. Which are covalent in nature, not ionic, sorry, which are covalent in nature. But hydrogen forms what? It forms MH, and it is ionic solid, like NaH, KH. Actually what? They are ionic solid. Getting? Can you search some more thing? Like here, halogens can not easily react with what? Oxygen. Okay, but hydrogen forms H2O readily. Okay, you know H2O readily. So student, you do search some more dissimilarities, that why do we should not place it with halogens.